thought I'd show you a quick video today, just more of a tip and a hint about get out of trouble sometimes. If you've got a TIG welder, works with a MIG welder as well, but what we've got is we've got part of an old hub here that's just leaning through the table just to hold it in place, and this here is an M6 thread from a bolt that's snapped off that holds an ABS pickup sensor. So I've been asked to get these out. Now this one I've already done. I'm just going to run a tap through there just to clean that thread up. So what you can do is you can build up some weld onto this tiny bit of thread that's sticking out. If the thread's flush, you can still do it. You can just build up bit by bit by bit, and then up your amperage and just arc up on it and puddle it out. Obviously don't touch the edges because you don't want to weld it together, but build yourself up just enough that you can get a good amount on there, and then get a suitable size nut to sit over the top, and then you can see in there that that covers that just nice. So when that's built up, we'll be able to put that over, melt the whole lot together, and if all goes well, we'll just be able to wind it out then using a ratchet. These ones, just a 13mm ratchet, we'll be able to whack it on there and slowly and easily wind it out. Sometimes it will snap off and then you have to do it again, but normally after a couple of goes you'll get it and it will come out. So I'm going to show you that right now. We'll just get you positioned. Try and get in a good spot. I think that's about as good as it's going to get. I try not to get in the way too much when I'm welding. So I'm not even going to clean this up. I'm just going to go as we are and just start to build it up. There's a little bit on there now. Just going to let that cool for a second and go again. Right, that is just borderline on that edge, so we're going to drop the nut over the top there and then try and fill that hole with weld. And while that is still red hot, we'll give it a go at twisting it off. Just nice and easy. And it is coming out, this one. Until it's right out, you've still got to be careful because you never know how much weld you've got on the top of the stud, so if you start getting carried away you can snap it off, and then you've got to get yourself another nut and carry on till it's out. But this one's feeling good, and I think we are there. Get that last little bit with the grips, and there you have it. One snapped off rusted bolt, taken out and removed, and you can see there, hopefully, that we had a bit of a gap down there still, but that's enough to just get out there. So we'll run a tap through that. So we've saved the thread, it's not damaged, and I can use the original bolt back in there and just fit a new sensor. Happy days. Thanks for watching, see you on the next video.